Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In this quick guide, I will show you how to check the estimated remaining life of your SSD using Windows 11 settings without installing any extra software. For this, first click on the Start button, then click Settings, then select System in the left sidebar. After that, click on a storage. In case Windows prompts, click on yes. Now scroll down and click on this one, advanced storage settings. Now scroll down and click on disks and volumes. After that, beside your SSD, click on the properties button. Now under drive health, you will find estimated remaining life. In my case, it is 99%. In case you see below 50%, you should start taking backup of your hard disk and keep a plan to replace it as soon as possible. That's all. Thank you for watching. Bye.